Hello, in today's video I will be teaching you how to make these beautiful flowers. You can use different sizes of paper to create different proportions of lotus. For making the lotus, we will use a 15 by 15 cm white paper. Make sure that the sheet is thin, that is about 70 GSM. This will make the folding process easier. We will start by making a blitz base. So make a diagonal line connecting two edges. Unfold. Now join the other two edges and make a crease. Unfold. Connect the edge to the center. Make a crease. Rotate 45 degrees. Again, connect the edge to the center and make a crease. Repeat the same process for the other two edges. Make sure you have pointed edges after folding. Again, connect the edge of the square to the center. Make a crease. Rotate it. Again, connect the edge to the center and fold. Repeat the same process with other two sides. Flip the square and again create the blitz base. Connect all the edges to the center and fold. Make sure you apply proper pressure for creasing. Unfold all the four sides. Flip the square. Fold the triangle upward, leaving some margin as shown here. Make a crease. Repeat the same process for all the triangles. Flip the shape. Refold the triangles we had made earlier. So join the edge of the square to the center. Hold it there. Connect the adjacent edges to the center. You will see a petal forming now. Crease the first petal properly. Now join the other two edges to the center as well. Constantly keep your index finger to the center to hold all 4 petals. Make sure all the petals are properly opened. Flip the lotus, you will see 4 triangles on the lower side. Gently place your index finger inside the triangle and push it upwards using your thumb. Take your time, go gentle and make sure the paper doesn't tear off. Rotate and again place your index finger in the gap. Push the petal upwards using your thumb. Repeat the same with other 2 petals. You can lightly pinch the tips of the petals. And the lotus is ready. For finishing, make sure all the sides are creased well. You can use these beautiful lotuses in your projects, making a garland or for other decorative purposes. Goodbye.